All right, guys, so we are replacing a number of things on this DD15, okay? Came in with some issues, resolving all those issues one by one. We're gonna replace the oil pump and the oil suction module. When we remove this from the truck, right, as an assembly, not this one, but this one, typically you're gonna remove it, you're gonna have about a gallon or so of oil that's gonna drip down, okay? When we pull this thing out, it was completely bone dry. The pump itself probably doesn't have any issues, but I don't wanna take a chance, and really for the cost, it's fairly inexpensive. So we're gonna replace the oil pump. I pulled the suction module out, right? Really, this is the Achilles heel of the DD15, period, right? Straight up. If you guys can see inside here, this is really two things that are gonna happen here. This is gonna open and close depending on the pressure. The pressure is gonna push through, it's gonna open, it's gonna let the oil come up here through the top side, okay? That's how this garbage design works. This thing is just glued on or melted on, so design flaw number two. What I did notice, I'm gonna open up the new one right now for you guys, but what I did notice, this little flapper down in here, let me grab a flashlight, one sec, guys. Okay, guys, so what I noticed down in there, I don't know if you guys can see it down here in the bottom, it doesn't seem like it's actually seated properly. So if it's not seating properly, it's gonna let oil go back to where it's not supposed to go. For example, give me a second here. All right, I think this thing was just kind of cocked off to the side, which would allow oil to return back through the tubes and then back out the into the oil pan. So this could be definitely a dangerous situation. So in my opinion, if you're working on a DD15, DD13, and you're fucking with this, get rid of this thing, replace it, okay? It's worth the 250 bucks. Save yourself the headache. We're gonna put that there. Let's go ahead and open up the new one really quick. Again, this is the Achilles new one, right? This is the new part number based on this DD15 model. David Echo Apple 4721806851. And again, it's a brand new one. I don't think they offer anything other than brand new. And here is the suction module. Hopefully this will be a lot better than this one. But what I want to show you guys is down inside. Again, hopefully I can somehow record. There we go. So you guys can see in there, hold on. Okay. Now, maybe I'm just being a little paranoid, a little more cautious than I need to be, but if that one didn't have any oil in it, that tells me something's going on there. So we're gonna go ahead and replace it automatically. I really wish there was more daylight here, but we're overcast today. You guys can see that in there. Yeah, see that one definitely feels a little bit different on it. They still have this terrible design, but it is what it is, guys. So we're gonna put a new one there. We're gonna put a new oil pump. We're gonna put this all together. Of course, we're gonna replace the O-ring seal. So we're gonna go ahead and mount that up there. 22 foot-pounds, okay? Don't forget that. This does already come with the O-ring. This is what's gonna go towards the block itself. So again, if you have a DD15 and you're pulling out the oil pan and you're pulling the suction module out, don't waste your time. Do not hesitate. Automatically replace it, guys. Save yourself the headache. Save yourself the potential catastrophe. So anyway, let's put this thing together. I just wanted to kind of share that with you guys. So if you have that issue where you pull out the suction module pump and there's no oil or almost very little oil that comes out of there, replace that. Save yourself the headache.